Hey fam, welcome back to this week's nighttime kitchen cleaning reset. This is actually after dinner, later on in the evening. The kids are settled and now it's time for me to go ahead and get this kitchen tidied up for the night. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me.
Why are you holding back your love? Babe, I'm about to cry. I can't take it anymore. Why can't you let me know where we at? 'Cause we don't got forever. Tell the truth, just spit it out. This feeling is the worst of things. Just let me go and let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in. So don't you get under my skin. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be nice. Why are you even here? Where do you wanna be? I wanna disappear when you don't connect to me. Oh, why can't you let me know where we at? 'Cause we don't got forever. Tell the truth, just spit it out. Oh.
So hey fam, if you're new to my channel, my name is Natasha. I'm a full-time working mom of 4 and a special needs mom. Here on my channel, I bring you guys things on lifestyle, motherhood, and home, which include organization videos, cleaning, day in the life type videos, home updates, anything that has to do with being a wife and mom. That's what you'll find here. So if that's the type of content that you like and enjoy watching, definitely make sure that you please subscribe, stick around, also share. I'm trying to get out there. You guys have been doing great sharing my videos and I appreciate you all. So definitely continue to share, like, comment. It helps to push me out. And this is just basically my daily routine of what I do in the evening times. Not every evening now I'm going to be wiping down all the cabinets and things like that. But for the most part, I do whatever's needed to be done that day. And this day I'm just taking you guys along with me and showing you what I had to get into. One thing I definitely like to do, though, if the garbage is full, I definitely like for that to get thrown out the night before.
This feeling is the worst of things. Just let me go and let me in. Want this to stop, I'm giving in. So don't you get under my skin. Oh, but be nice. If you're letting me go, think twice. If you're not even sure you're right, be nice, be nice. Oh, You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me, and I'm like you. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be
So we are approaching towards the end of the video. Hopefully this video gave you a little bit of motivation to take care of whatever you had to do in your home. It was a short one, but definitely I think it was sweet because it gave you motivation to do what you had to do. This definitely helped set me up for the next day when it comes to getting the kids ready for school. The night before, I just, deal with their bags, prepping those, book bags, lunch bags, water bottles, whatever I have to do. I take care of that here the night before while I'm cleaning up, just to make sure that I'm set up for the next day. So again, please make sure you subscribe. Appreciate you guys watching. And, I hope, as I said, I hope this gave you motivation to handle and tackle some things in your own home.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight. Riding